Hello everyone, I'm Manisha and today we are going to understand a very common topic and useful topic in maths, that is least common multiple. Now upon the completion of this lesson, students will be able to define the least common multiple. They will be in state to determine the common multiple for pairs of numbers. Now, before coming to the main topic, that how we can find the common multiples, let us understand why do we need the concept of least common multiples. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Have you ever watched how beautifully the Diwali lightings glow one after another? Few very fast and others slower. So what time will it be when all the lights glow at one time? Any idea? Well, that is easy to observe, right? With 3 or 5 strings of lighting. But what if I asked you to find the same for 200,000 strings? How will you find it? Okay, so the answer for this question is the topic itself, that is least common multiple. So let us say that we have 3 strings, string 1 or string A, B, C. Let us say that string A glows at every 1 second and B at every 2 seconds and C every 3 seconds and so on. So the LCM of all the timings is that time when all the string will glow at the same time. In this case, the LCM will be 6 seconds. You will get to know how to find the LCM in the next slide. So we can say that at the 6th second, all the lights will glow together. All the 3 lights, A, B and C. Now, least common multiple. Okay, so basically it's a multiple, right? And we have to sort out some common multiples. But what after that? After sorting out the common multiples, we have to find the least one or the lowest one. So the least common multiple is the smallest number. Is the smallest number that is common between the two lists of multiple. Let us see the method to find the common multiple or the least common multiple. Step 1 will be list the first several multiples of each number. Then after, look for the multiples common to both the lists. Then after, look for the smallest number. Why smallest number? Because we are finding the least common multiple here. That is common in both the list. And this smallest number, this smallest common number will be your LCM. Sounds easy. Let's check example. The first example on your screen is to find the LCM of 12 and 18. As per the method, I should write all the multiples of 12 and all the multiples of 18. Let's do that. Oh, here we have the multiples of 12. 12, 24, 12 times 3, 36, 48 and 60. Let's write the multiples of 18 now. Here we have the multiples of 18. Now what to do after writing the multiples? We have to look for the common multiples, right? So multiples of 12, multiples of 18. Can you find something common in the list? Yes, you are right. We got 36 as common in both the multiple lists. So, yes, 36 is the number that is common in the multiples of 12 and in multiples of 18. So it is the LCM. 36 is the LCM of 12 and 18. Let's check out the second example. I hope the first example is clear to you, but still we need practice and practice because it is math. Now, the first step in this will be to write all the multiples of 9 and 10. Multiples of 9, multiples of 10 and can we see anything common here? No. Why? Because I have mentioned here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 common multiples of 9 and 10. But there is nothing common. So what to do? Well, in such case, if you don't see a common multiple, please make each list go further. Means we have to extend the multiples now. Let's see how. In this way, we have extended the multiples of 9, right? And then multiples of 10 also. Now can you find something common? Yes, you got it right. 90 is common in both the list. So yes, 90 is the LCM of 9 and 10. Now, let's check out example number 3. Find the LCM of 5 and 8. Okay, easy, very easy. Pause the video and give me the answer. I hope you all have solved it. So, the answer for this question is 40. I hope your answers are correct. Coming to example number 5, a very special example. Yes, this is another way of asking a least common multiple. Find the lowest number. Here I would like to highlight this word, lowest, right? We have to find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 18 and 24. Number which is exactly divisible. It has to be common then, right? For 18 and 24. So, in short, the question is asking us for a common multiple of 18 and 24, and that has to be the lowest one, means LCM they are asking for. Okay, let's have a look on the multiples of 18 and 24. Yes, here we have the multiples of 18 and 24. Now, let's check out something common. Yes, we do have. This 72 is common, isn't it? Now, since 72 is common, so this is the answer for our least common number. So 72 is the required number. Now, next question. Little more trickier. Yes, a word problem. A shopkeeper sells candles in packet of 12 and candle stands in packet of 8. So basically, the shopkeeper is selling candles in packet of 12 and candle stand in packet of 8. Now, what is the least number? You know what? This type of words now, like least, lowest, they are magical words. They give you the idea that yes, the question is asking for the least number, the smallest multiple, right? Of candles and the candle stand. Neither should buy so that there will be one candle for each candle stand. Now here's the solution. Well, to find a quantity which is the lowest common multiple of different quantity, we do find the LCM. For this, we need to write the multiples of 12 then multiples of 8, and then look out for the common number. So here the common number is 24, and this is the lowest common here. So yes, the answer is 25. Okay, next is example number 7. Now find the lowest number which is less by 5 to be divided by 16, 24 and 36 exactly. So exactly divisible means any number which divides the 16, 24, 36 and gives you a zero remainder. So that number will divide 16, 24 and 36 exactly. But here the question is, find the lowest number. Okay, we have to find the LCM, but that number will be less by 5. Less by 5. Less means subtraction, right? So the number should be 5 less than the common number, the least common number. So the steps to find the answers are, first, we need to write the multiples of 16, we need to write the multiples of 24 and multiples of 36. And then after, find the one which is common in all the three multiple list. So if you solve it your own, you will get to know that the answer or the LCM is 144. So 144 is the LCM. But are they asking for the LCM? No. If you read the question again, it is asking that the lowest number which is less by 5. Less by 5 means it has to be less, 5 less than this part, the LCM. So means 144 minus 5. So our answer is 139. So yes, 139 is the required number. I hope this question is clear to you. Now, coming to next example that is almost similar to this one. Okay, I just want you all to try this question. It's easy, but only change is that it is not less than. You don't have to find the lower number which is less than, less by 5 or 6, but more by 6. So in case of more, obviously we are going to perform the addition, right, at the end. Okay, pause your screen and solve it. I hope you have solved it. Now let me help you out with the correct solution. Yes, first we need to find the multiples of 25, multiples of 40, multiples of 60. And if you solve the multiples, you will see that the least common multiple that you are getting here is 600. So 600 is our LCM. But are they asking for the LCM? No. They are asking for the lowest number, which is more by 6. So more by 6 here means the required number will be 6 more than 600. That is 606. So